Hello, everyone, and welcome to the second part of our cybersecurity series. In this presentation, we are going to learn about cyber threats and cyber attacks. We will understand what cyber threats are, what cyber attacks mean, the most common types of attacks, their effects, and most importantly, how we can protect ourselves. So, let's get started. First, let's understand what a cyber threat is. A cyber threat is a potential danger that can affect our computers, networks, data, or online services. A cyber threat can be used to steal sensitive information, damage computer systems, disrupt services, or gain unauthorized access. It can also cause financial losses for individuals and organizations. In simple words, a cyber threat is anything that has the potential to harm our digital environment. Now, let's look at the meaning of a cyber attack. A cyber attack is an intentional attempt to access a computer system or network without permission. Attackers may try to steal or modify data, disrupt services, or damage digital systems. So, the main difference is that a cyber threat represents a potential danger, while a cyber attack is an actual attempt to cause harm or gain unauthorized access. There are many different types of cyber attacks. Some of the most common ones are phishing, malware, password attacks, social engineering, denial of service attacks, and ransomware. Each attack works in a different way. Now, let's look at these attacks one by one. Phishing is one of the most common cyber attacks. Attackers send fake emails, messages, or websites with malicious links designed to trick users into acting quickly. These messages often create a false sense of urgency, claiming your account will close unless you click immediately. To protect yourself, always verify suspicious messages before clicking any links. Next, let's talk about malware. Malware means malicious software. It is software designed to harm a computer system or gain unauthorized access. Common types of malware include viruses, worms, trojans, spyware, and adware. Malware can have serious effects. It can steal data, damage systems, or allow attackers to access information without permission. That is why using trusted security software and keeping our systems updated is important. Ransomware is a type of attack where attackers encrypt a victim's files to make them inaccessible. The attack occurs in 3 steps. The system becomes infected, important files are encrypted, and attackers demand payment for restoration. Both individuals and businesses can fall victim to ransomware. To reduce its impact, maintain regular backups and keep security updates installed. Another common type is password attacks. Attackers may try to guess passwords, steal passwords, or reuse passwords that have already been leaked. They can also use automated login attempts to try many possible passwords. To protect ourselves, we should use strong and unique passwords. We should also avoid using the same password for multiple accounts. Most importantly, enable multi-factor authentication, or MFA, whenever it is available.
Now let's look at social engineering. Unlike some attacks that mainly target technology, social engineering targets people. Attackers may pretend to be someone we trust. They may create fear, urgency, or pressure us to take a particular action. They may also ask for sensitive information. For example, an attacker might pretend to be a bank employee and ask for confidential account information. The important lesson here is that attackers do not only target computers, they can also target. Next, we have denial of service, or DOS attacks. In a DOS attack, an attacker overwhelms a system or online service with a large number of requests. As a result, the system may become very slow. In some cases, the website or service may become completely unavailable. This can cause service disruption and affect normal users.
So, how can cyber attacks affect us? There are several possible impacts. They can cause financial loss, data theft, system damage, service disruption, privacy loss, and reputation damage. For a business, a cyber attack can affect not only its technology, but also its customers and reputation. For individuals, it can lead to stolen personal information or financial problems. This is why cybersecurity is important for everyone.
Now, let's look at some simple ways to stay protected. First, use strong and unique passwords. Second, enable multi-factor authentication whenever possible. Third, keep your operating system and software updated. Fourth, Avoid clicking suspicious links or opening unexpected attachments. Also, back up important data regularly. Use trusted security software and stay informed about new cyber threats. These simple practices can significantly reduce our risk. One of the most important messages in cybersecurity is think before you click. When you receive something suspicious online, don't rush. First, stop. Then check the message carefully. Next, verify the information using a trusted source. Finally, take action only when you are confident that it is safe. Remember, turn count, long one.
Let's summarize what we have learned. Cyber threats can target anyone. Cyber attacks can take many different forms. Human awareness is an important part of cybersecurity. Strong security practices can reduce the risk of attacks. And finally, always think before you click. Being careful online is one of the simplest and most effective ways to improve our cybersecurity. This brings us to the end of this presentation. In the next episode of our cybersecurity series, we will learn about phishing and social engineering. We will explore how attackers trick people and how we can recognize and avoid these attacks. So, stay tuned for the next episode.
Thank you for watching. If you found this presentation useful, please like our channel and subscribe to AK Digital Docs for more cybersecurity content, technology tips, and useful tutorials. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you don't miss our upcoming videos. Stay safe, stay aware, and remember, think before you click. See you in the next episode.